Now, parents of a toddler, Eromosele Omhonria, hit by a stray bullet of personnel of the National Drug Law Enforcement Agency last year, are calling on President Bola Tinubu to help salvage his deteriorating left eye as they continue to mourn their other son, even killed by the same bullet. Fidelis Omhonria and his wife are frustrated by the delay to secure the travel documents for their son to get medical care abroad, as advised by doctors to save the sight of their son. Ikenamichi reports.
8 months after a stray bullet from the personnel of the NDLEA chasing drug peddlers killed 2-year-old Ivan and injured his brother on the eye in Okpanam, Delta State, nothing has been done. The chairman of the agency who visited the boy promised to cater for his medical expenses, but say now they are yet to do anything as the parents are crying out that their son's health is deteriorating.
I'm calling on federal government. They should just come and help and save the little child, because he's going to grow with me, and we are going to be together till death do me part. How can I continue seeing my child with blood inside his blood to remind me of the one that have been buried?
I cannot lose a child and have a child being abandoned by the perpetrator of the whole thing. I close my eyes and the whole scene is playing back in my head. I just want my son to be fine. I cannot lose a son. I have a son struggling with his health.
Mr. Omhonria, who has spent his livelihood on drugs to sustain the eye, believes the agency has done nothing for them to get the medical treatment abroad.
The consulate that was intervening us, he checked the system, he checked the document. He now asked who is funding the trip. And I said it's NDLEA and I funded the trip. But they said they don't see with what they are seeing in their system. There's no federal government or NDLEA involvement in the process, that they will not be able to give us the visa. We were denied the visa.
They are not doing anything. They are not doing anything. Because they be posting us. They are keeping us engaged. They are just posting us.
Mr. Harrison Gwamnishu is a human rights activist following the case since last year.
Government officials can get visa in less than 1 week. They get a US visa to fly to any country of their choice. But the child wounded by the state, because those officers are state actors, they were executing whatsoever, and they shot a child, they killed a little child and wounded one, and they cannot take care of that child.
For now, the 1-year, 8-month-old boy who ought to have started school is uncertain if he will ever see with that eye again. Ikenna Amechi, TVC News, Asaba.